I'm Fun78. In this video, I'll show you how to use the if statements in Alice. First, start off by creating two variables by dragging a variable in, call it integer, name it var1 or whatever variable you would like to, and select the initializer for it. And how to use if statements. In this case, I'll drag an if statement in and call it true for now. This is called the and operator. So if A and B is true, then only the if statement is going to run, or else it's going to skip or go to the else part. This is the or. If A or B is true, then this is going to run. I'll show an example with both. First, let's start with and. First, select your two initializers. Then you can say if whole number 1. By the way, Alice is broken into whole numbers and decimal numbers. So if you're using decimal numbers and you're wondering why you can't see these variables, it's because they're integers. So you have to use the whole numbers. So if var1 is equals to var1 and var2 is equal to var2, then this is going to run. In this case, let's add a character. I'm going to add elder. Okay. Edit code. I'm going to say this person is going to say hello. Let's do that. And run. As you can see, she said hello. The reason is because var1 equals var1. So we're saying that variable 1, which is 1. So 1 equals 1. 1 equals 1. So 1 is equal to 1. That's true. And var2. So var2, which is 1, equals 1. And so if these both are true, these both statements are true. This statement is true and this statement is true. And because these two statements are true, we'll have hello say. If I change one of these statements, as you can see, it'll change now. Oh, it's because we have to have different values. Let's say var2 is 2, okay? In this case, as you can see, the character is not saying hello anymore. But if we equal var2 to var2, the character will say hello, and that's simple. Now, how to use or statement? In this case, I'll show you how to use the or statement. Select true and true first. Then you can change var1 equals var1. If this is true, or var2 equals var1. It's going to say hello. Why? Because the and operator checks if both these statements are true. If var1 equals var1 and var2 equals var2. Because we have a var1 here, variable 2 represents 2 and variable 1 represents 1. 2 is not equal to 1, but 1 is equal to 1. And because we're using an or operator in this case, it'll be true and it's going to print hello. If we change both of these, as you can see, none of them are true now. The character is going to say nothing. And that's simply how to use an if statement. How does else work? Well, else is as simple as this. So the character said hello over here. Let's say the character say hello, correct. And then say wrong here. And let's run this. As you can see, it says wrong because we have variable 1 is not equal to variable 2 and variable 2 is not equal to variable 1. If we say one of these to variable 1, now 1 equals 1, 2 is not equal to 1, but because we're using a or operator, this is going to be true and the character has to say correct. And as you can see, the character said correct. I hope this helped you understand what if statements are and how they work in Alice. If you like this tutorial, please share to others. Thank you. Bye.